Hey, hello everyone. Now you are going towards the Winter Blankets Donation Drive organized by Vision Voluntary Organization and sponsored by Nature's Trunk. Harsh winters can be life-threatening for those without shelter. Donating blankets ensures they have a ladder of warmth and protection against cold, also reducing the risk of cold-related illnesses. So let us make this winter warmer for everyone. Share warmth, share humanity. As you all know that Vision Voluntary Organization and Nature's Trunk is always available to those who are in need. So we are requesting you all that please be helpful to others and share humanity. So what are we waiting for? Let's go!
लेकर के चला हूँ खुशियाँ कुछ लिफाफों में, लेकर के चला हूँ खुशियाँ कुछ लिफाफों में। बांटनी है जिनको वो शायद कुछ ना कहें, पर बांटनी है जिनको वो शायद कुछ ना कहें, पर दुआएं हैं उनकी मुस्कुराहट के इजाफों में, दुआएं हैं उनकी मुस्कुराहट के इजाफों में। The special way of living, come feel the joy of giving. Joy of giving, feel the joy of giving. This special way of living, come feel the joy of giving. Joy of giving, feel the joy of giving. Na 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 थोड़ा सा दिया जब जब लिखा गया वो कहीं पे लाखों में, दिखती है सूरत उन अनजानों की मेरे मुनाफों में। लेकर के चला हूँ खुशियाँ कुछ लिफाफों में, लेकर के चला हूँ खुशियाँ कुछ लिफाफों में। This special way of living, come feel the joy of giving. Joy of giving, feel the joy of giving. This special way of living, come feel the joy of giving. Joy of giving, feel the joy of giving. This special way of living, come feel the joy of giving. Joy of giving, feel the joy of giving. जान पहचान सबसे जरूरी नहीं, इंसानी रिश्ता है काफी हर कहीं, हर कहीं।
Joy of giving, he has sahi way of living. So is Daan Utsav, do an act of good, and once you've done that, make this smiley on your finger and share it with your friends.
Groups of people get together from different walks of life and contribute whatever they can.
This Daan Utsav, don't forget to do an act of good. Once you have done so, put this happy dot on your finger and spread happiness.
लेकर के चला हूँ खुशियाँ कुछ लिफाफों में, लेकर के चला हूँ खुशियाँ कुछ लिफाफों में।
Now, finally, a small request from us. If you really like our initiative, please do subscribe and follow and keep loving us and supporting us. Yeah, then. Thank you.